Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel called The Inspired Journey. Hope everyone's doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves and enjoying the day out there today. Hopefully where you're living it's nice and pretty and you can get outside and enjoy the weather, take a walk, go for a ride in your car, see all the beautiful scenery out there. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to go to Walmart and Dollar Tree and see what I can find for the Christmas season. See what's out there that might be kind of fun to buy. So come and join me and we'll see what's out there. Here we are at the Dollar Tree. Look at these gorgeous ornaments for only $1.25. These are so pretty. And this owl, wouldn't he look cute on a package or on a tree? And these sleighs, I love them. Look at that greenery with the little bow. We could put those somewhere. I love these skis. Those would look super cute on a tree. These little, oh my goodness, I love them all. So much to look at. These little bells would be perfect as a necklace or bracelet. These balls could go on one of those smaller trees. You could give these as a gift. You could make someone a small tree and give them as a gift. I love this one. So cute. This Noel, oh my goodness, this looks like it costs more than $1.25. Look at all of these. Look at this cute little retro. So cute. And we've got these Santas and more ornaments. This little gnome, these little cute little things. You put someone's name on those ornaments. And what else do we have? So cute. Look at that. Love these. Look at that little owl that's got the cute little greenery on him. And oh, these bells are perfect for the Polar Express. You can make necklaces out of them. I did that last year with my pre-K class. They love them. I'll have to make a video showing how I made those. Look at these cute ornaments. Oh my goodness, these snowmen. And we've got other ones for the kids, and you could just do so much with these. And they're all only $1.25. I love those. Grandparents would love those with a picture of their grandchild in them. And we've got this black and red checkered again, super cute. And the Be Merry, those are fairly large too. And if you could get the sparkle, oh, there we go with the black and red checks again. This Merry Christmas, so cute. So cute. These definitely look like they cost more than $1.25. Love these. There's only a few of these. So if you see something that you like, make sure you head on out there because this stuff goes so quickly once they put it out. These are cute. The grandkids could make these or use this ribbon for something cute on a jar with some candy. This is adorable. Love all of it. And little elves. Oh my goodness. You could do so much fun things with some DIY projects with some of these things. What do we have here? So many things. Oh my goodness. This is definitely the craft section. So I think we need to make a video showing what we have made with some of these that I'm going to buy today. So much cute stuff for the holidays. Love the black and white little bows here. And then this is the $3 through the $5 section. Cute little gnomes and some shadow boxes. These are milk jug, I don't know what you call them, but they're super cute. They would look cute with some greenery in them. And then these Santa Clauses, these would look cute on a mantle. Oh my goodness, look at these. That van, it is adorable. And oh, these red trucks. This is going to look super cute. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna get the truck. And some signs. Love these signs, sleigh rides. Put that outside the front door. And they've got, oh, some green trucks. Love them. And we've got those little, I don't know what you call these, but you can put them on a mantle. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas for any of these things I'm showing. Super sturdy box here that we could use for maybe a gift or just under the tree. More cute gnomes. They have so many different gnomes. So many cute gnomes. And this is a little door. I guess you could hang this up in your house somewhere. And then we've got these nutcrackers. Oh my goodness, adorable. And these I haven't seen before. These are lanterns that have 3 candles in them that light up. Those would look really pretty. And then we've got the all the way, oh, you count down to Christmas with these things. And then we've also got some garland here and some, oh my goodness. Oh, here we go on to Walmart now. Now we're in Walmart. These are adorable. They aren't very expensive either, only $1.98. They have so many different themes here to choose from, and just the different colors to choose from. And all of these are just $1.98, so that's really reasonable for an ornament. You could give these as gifts on top of packages or just buy them for your own Christmas tree. So many different themes this year to choose from. They've got so many pretty ornaments here. And they all seem to be just $1.98. What to choose? Which ones do you like best? They've also got, as I'm gonna show you, if you choose this theme, right underneath it, they show the different colors that go with these ornaments on the tree, so you can buy everything all color coordinated. These gold ornaments and pink ornaments go with the pink theme here at Walmart. This cute pink theme. Oh my goodness, I love this. That's only $1.98. And then you got this theme right here, which is, I guess, the gingerbread with, let's see, here's the gold theme. The gold theme has, there's only one ornament here left of that cute little house in there. Let's see here. We got this gold theme next to this gingerbread theme. So let's see here. The gingerbread theme has these red ornaments that go with it. And then you've got, what's going on here? We've got some, it's more like an outdoor kind of nature theme going on right here with, and then what do we have over here? Some berries, and that also kind of looks like maybe a farmhouse theme with, oh, I love that cardinal. So cute, love cardinals. And we've got the red and black checkered clip ornaments. little Santa ornaments. And we've got these Merry Christmas. This theme seems to be like a Santa Claus theme because there's like a Santa suit ornament. More cardinals. More cardinals. I love the cardinals. They're so Christmassy because they're red. So if you like this, please like and subscribe, and I will keep adding more content daily. Thanks for watching my video, and see you soon.